praying for this day for a couple years now. We're just excited to see God begin the process of doing something awesome.
This is just the amazing compilation of everything we've been working on for years here. It's really cool.
My name is Jordan, and I'm so glad you're here for the launch day of Discovery Church. Thank you for making today historic for our city.